Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's IT Tech. Right now you can see the ESP-IDF extension in my VS Code for uploading a code in my ESP32 board. So let's go to the Microsoft.com to download the VS Code. Now let's explore all the download options. Here I'm going to select the 64-bit installer. Now the download already started. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Now it's done. It's time to install the VS Code in my system. So let's start the process. Select the checkboxes as per your requirement and click on Next. Now the installation process started. Again, let's wait for a couple of seconds. You can start the Visual Studio Code from here. Otherwise, let's go to the Windows search box and search for VS Code. Now in VS Code, in the left hand side, you can see various options. Let's go to the extension and here search for ESP-IDF. And here it is. Now we're going to install ESP-IDF extension in our VS Code. Now the process completed, and in the left hand side you can see the ESP-IDF icon. Now let's go through the tutorial, and here it's very much simple and easy to understand tutorial. Now let's go to the view, next command palette, and here search for configure ESP-IDF extension. So you can start with ESP-IDF keyword or just config keyword. It will show all the options. Now here three options are available: Express, Advanced, and Existing Setup. So I am going with the Express. That's easier one for beginners. Next, select the download server. Let's go with the GitHub. Fine. Next, the ESP-IDF version, and I'm going with the latest one, 5.4.1. Fine. Now you can go with the default directory, or you can change it as per your requirement. So you can select any folder and give it a name, and next you can select it, right? So it's fine. I'm going with the default one. Now let's click on install. Now this configuration process will take time, say typically 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so you need to have a cup of coffee while the entire process will going on. So here I am fast forwarding the entire process, right? Now it's all complete. Next, again go to the view and command palette, and here just explore examples. Now you can see all the examples those we have in our ESP-IDF. Fine, so these are the examples. Let's go through one by one. Now I am selecting the Hello World program. So I have started my programming career with the Hello World code. So that's why I am selecting the same Hello World for the ESP-IDF also. So right now I'm going to just upload the code in my ESP32 board, right? With the help of this ESP-IDF extension. Now, warning message, we need to trust the author. Fine, it's done. In the left hand side. Okay, let's explore the Hello World project. Let's click on Hello World main.c, and here it is. So right now I'm not going to discuss all the details of this code because my objective is to upload it first, and let's see what is happening. Let's go to the view and next command palette, and here search for ESP. After that, build. So we are going to build the project. So let's click on build your project option. So one shortcut is also available, but I think here the option is okay. Fine. Let's click on build your project, and here again it will take time. So these two processes will take time. First the configuration process, and now the building project. So right now you can see that we need to compile almost 1000 files. So that's the point. Okay, so again you need couple of cups of coffee, right? To complete the entire process. So here I am doing the fast forward thing, so that if people don't have to wait. Okay, so right now it's going on, and fine. So let's wait what is happening here. Fine, I think it's done. Okay, yes, it's complete. So the building process is done. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my ESP32 with my computer. So right now you can hear the Windows connection sound, right? So that's it. Now next, the communication port. Which port you need to select? For that, let's go to the device manager from Windows search box, and here under the port option actually you can find the port, and here it's COM6. So let's go to the VS Code, and here let's select COM6. Okay, so that's the port actually associated with the ESP32. If you have any problem with the port, you can visit my other tutorials regarding the port problem. I will share the link in the description. That's fine. Now it's done. Next, we're going to select the device. So it's ESP32. So if you have ESP32 dev board, obviously you are going with the ESP dev option, right? That's fine. Otherwise, select other boards. Now the process is going on. It's done. Fine. Now let's go to the view next command palette. Now here you can type UART or ESP flash. Okay. After that you will have that option to flash the project in your ESP32 board. So right now it's all started, and you can see the writing process is going on. Fine, and it's done successfully. So right now there is no way to check it if it's properly uploaded in my ESP32 board or not. For that, let's go to the monitor option, and here you can see the output actually, right? So hello world is coming here. That's it. Now I'm ready with another example, and that's the blink LED. So right now I'm going to use the inbuilt blink example, okay, for the setup. And my purpose is to blink the inbuilt LED of my ESP32 board. Right. So again, let's go to the left hand side and explore the blink project. Here you need to select the blink example main.c file, right? And here it is. So instead of the original code that is available in the project, I'm just putting another code, right, to blink the LED. Now again, we need to build the project. So right now you can see the number of files you need to compile. It's 1000, okay, but here it's fast forwarded, so that's why it's okay, done for you. Now it's complete. So compilation process is done. Next, we're going to use the port here, and it's UART. Now next, we're going to flash the device, right? So let's do it. Let's see if it's successful or not. Fine. Now you can see it's running successfully. So the inbuilt LED of the ESP32 board is blinking. Next, I have updated this part with another modification. That's an LED. I have connected the LED with the pin number 15. So let's modify the code here. So instead of 2, let's make it 15. And again, I am going to just build the project. But here, one interesting fact, that in this build you don't have to wait too much time. Okay, so it's only 9 files, right? Remember the first one, 1000 files, but right now it's only 9. So that's the advantage. Once you build your first project, you can do the next one with less time. Okay, it's all done. Now I'm going to just flash this project. Okay, so let's do it. So two options are available. You can go with the shortcut icon, or you can go with the command palette. So right now it started. Fine. Okay, now it's successful. So you can see that the LED connected with pin number 15 is blinking. So that's it. So if you have any doubt or query regarding the entire setup, you can communicate with me through the comment section of the video. So thank you. Have a nice day.